This video is to show how to assemble the cabinets for a 21st century kitchen brand. The following shows how to assemble the wall cabinet. And every cabinet comes with an assembling kit, which is in this box. And all doors come with a plastic protection, so we need to cut it open. And then we flip the door over, take out so we take out all the screws from the needle box, and this needle bag comes with all the brackets inside. And this is all you need for to assemble this cabinet. And first, we put the one of the side panel to the groove of this box frame. Then place the bracket and put the screw in. So we put 4 screws, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the side. And we do the same thing on the top. So now we take another side panel, do the same, just like in the other side. And put the one bracket on the bottom and one more later on the top. Okay, so now we can see we have 4 brackets, 2 on each side. And also we need to make sure the side panel is flush with the box frame. Then slide the top and bottom panel into it. Then after we put the top and bottom panel, we do the same thing. We put 1 bracket, 2 to the box frame and the 2 to the top panel to secure this the top panel. So once we finish the top panel, we do the same thing again on the bottom panel. Then the last panel to go in is the back panel. So the back panel, just slide it in. Then what we do is we take the back part. We use staples, and this staple gun is called we use a PT50, and this gun is with staples. So that's how the staples looks like. Then we put the screws into it. So the back panel already have the pre-drill holes for the screw position. So just take the 4 black screws and screw into the top and bottom panel. So now the assembling for the wall cabinet is complete. And the last thing we do is put the door bumpers and stick on the top and bottom corner. And those are shell pins. It's a shell holder. So these are shell pins. We put the position like this, and the shelf goes in between. So it's an exact fit. Okay, so the door comes with a soft closing, and it closes by itself.